Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to display customer user role on individual order pages in WooCommerce WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in edit order. So we are going to display customer user role. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open and then you can add title and then you see code preview. On right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. And then you see WP role. So we are going to display customer role in edit order page in WooCommerce WordPress. If username is not available, then show this message. This order was placed by a guest. And then you see text user role. So you can add text according to your requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto install, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to edit order. Now refresh the page. And then scroll down. Now you see customer user role administrator. So you will find code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.